Go.
Thank you for joining me today to celebrate our accomplishments this year. Before I address our most commendable achievements, I would like to take a moment to discuss with you something that I think defines how we approach challenges in life and work. The concept I am speaking of is winning. Have you ever heard the phrase, expect to win? What does it make you think of? What defines winning? And how do we know when we have won? Uttering the term winning may automatically draw thoughts of winning the lotto, winning a contest, or the winning Dallas Cowboys. I want you to think much more broadly than that, though. When I speak of winning, I am referring to a state of mind, an air of confidence, belief in oneself, and faith. Zig Ziglar, a very successful salesman, organizational leader, and motivational speaker, would often say to folks, "You were designed for accomplishment, engineered for success, and endowed with the seeds of greatness." Do you believe it? All of this is true. Not one single person in this room wakes up in the morning and says to themselves, "Today I am going to be mediocre. Today I think I'll give as little of myself as possible to others. Today I will try to fly under the radar." I know that isn't true. However, sometimes life's challenges prevent us from being our most successful selves, which equals winning. How you approach challenges and setbacks defines your winning strategy. Challenges present themselves in many different forms: parenting our children, managing our finances, and specifically navigating in our careers. I know many of you are new to the organization and may not know much about me. I believe that my approach to challenge is what led me to where I am today, standing in front of this very good-looking audience discussing winning. I have been working in this industry since 1997. I started out in customer service with Wells Fargo Bank, and after 18 months, I went on to spend almost 10 years with Fidelity Investments. Fidelity is where I made a conscientious decision to continue to build my career so that I, along with my husband, could provide for our two children. I worked very hard for many years before I believed that I was destined for success. Once I had confidence, I began to apply for leadership positions, but I didn't win. Or so I thought. I was provided feedback that helped me improve my qualifications and skill set. I took that advice and I started working on improving myself. When more opportunities came, I applied. I continued to get turned down. If you had seen me back then, you would have seen a very deflated person. I tried so hard. I picked myself up and continued my mission of self-improvement. I could have thrown in the towel, but I didn't. I believed that I had earned and deserved a promotion just as much as the next person. Furthermore, I knew I had a lot to give of myself. I could inspire my employees, work alongside them, and show them what hard work could do for them. I did not give up. And that is, for me, one of the definitions of winning. Eventually, I was promoted, and then increasing responsibility came fast and furious. Eventually, I was asked to move to North Carolina to help start a call center. Then abruptly, a year and a half later, with Fidelity Investments, I was laid off. I was crushed. How could they do this to me? I resigned myself to the fact that I was possibly going to have to start out at the bottom of the career ladder. But you know what? I believed in myself. I did eventually win because I was hired to create this beautiful contact center that we all work in now. I continue to win in the face of adversity and great challenge. I learned that perseverance and continuous improvement are the keys to winning. I had to go through these challenges in order to win. So how does this all relate to you? I hope that you will choose to build a career for yourselves with Pepsi Bottling Ventures. I hope that you will see that there are challenges in everything and that your attitude and belief in yourself have just as much value as your skill set and experience. In 2015, I expect our organization to go through a transformation. And as you think about this, I want you to think about how you will take this change head on and prepare yourself for success. Michael Jordan said, "If you're trying to achieve, there will be roadblocks. I've had them, everybody has had them. But obstacles don't have to stop you. If you run into a wall, don't turn around and give up. Figure out how to climb it, go through it, or work around it. Believe in the fact that you will be successful. Expect to win."